Morning to everyone. Discuss the topic specification reports and tenders. So this is the limit of estimation costing the evaluation engineering. The specification, detail and general specification, construction, sources, type of specification, principles for report preparation, report on estimate of residential building, culvert, roads, TTT Act 2000, tender notice, types, tender procedures, tracking model tenders, um, e-tendering, digital signature certificates, encrypting, decrypting, reverse actions. So this is the syllabus for the specification reports and the tenders. So next one is specifications. Specifications, specification. What is meant by specification? Specifications specifies or describe the nature and the classes of the work, materials to be used in the work, workmanship, etc. And is very important for the execution of the work. It should be clear and there should not be any ambiguity. From the study of the specification, one can easily understand the nature of the work and the what work shall be. The drawings of a building or structures, so the arrangements of the is the arrangement of the rooms and the various parts and the dimension, length, breadth, and height with very brief description of the different parts. So this is the definition of the specification. And the drawing do not furnish the details of the different items of the work, the quantity of the materials, the proportion of the mortar and the workmanship, which are described in the specification. This is a combination of the drawing and the specification of the design completely the structure. The drawings and the specification form important parts of the contract documents. Next one is Next one is factors. The factors on which specification depends upon are mentioned below. The nature of the work, purpose for which the work is secured, and then strength of materials, availability of materials, quality of materials. Next one is necessity of specification. So the cost of an unit quantity of work is governed by its specification. The specification is an essential contract document and is required for arbitration or court cases. The necessity of specification is to verify and check the strength of materials for work involved in the project. So next one is the specification is necessary to specify the equipments, tools, and the plans to be engaged for work and is enabled to procure them beforehand. Your work is carried out according to its specification, and the contractor is paid for the same. Any changes in specification? Any changes in specification changes the tender document. Next one is necessary of specifications. The cost of an unit quantity of works is governed by the specification. This is also specified the workmanship and the method of doing the work. The specification of the work serve as a guide to the supervising staff of the contract as well as the owner to execute the work to the satisfaction. The tender report without the specification of work is baseless, incomplete, and invalid. The specification of the work are required to describe the quality and the quantity of different materials required for the construction work. That is one of the essential to contract document. The contractor can make program to procure the materials required for the project, and the owner can check the quality of materials conforming to the specification, avoid the distributor contractor. So next one is how to write the specification. First one is a description of the material, workmanship, tools and the plans, production of new works, expression, clauses of specification. Next one is description of the materials. The quality and the size of the materials required to one item of work shall be fully described for checking up at the site according to the binding provided in the specification. The proportion of mixing or treatment of materials, if required before use, shall be clearly described. So next one is workmanship. So complete the description of the workmanship, the method of mixing to the proportions, the method of laying, preparation of the base or surface, compaction, compaction, finishing and the curing, etc. This finishing and the applicable to the item of the work shall be clearly stated in the different classes. Next one is tools and plans. The tools and plans to be engaged to carry out a work shall be described. The method of operation by whom to be supplied shall be stated. The production of new work. The next one is the method of production of new work against the damage or the method of curing is required. The test of completed work is necessary shall be described in separate classes. Next one is expression. While writing the specification, interval shall be marked, express or recommend the specification clearly and then instance from avoiding repetition and unusual works. The style of things shall be remains same throughout. So next one is terms such as suitable, proper, used under works having more than one meaning of this shall be avoided. So next one is the process of specification. The process of the specific shall be arranged in the order in which work shall be carried out. Next one is type of specification. The specification are two types. First one is general or a brief specification. Second one is detailed specifications. So general or brief specification is different for different classes of the buildings. First one is that is a first class, second class, third class, and the fourth class. So next one is general specifications. In general specifications, nature and the classes of works, names of materials, and the proportions that should be used in the various item of work are described. Only the brief description of each and every item is given. It is useful for estimating the project. Without going through the lengthy detailed specification, general information for the quantities of materials, nature and the classes of works can be known from the general specification, but they do not form part of the contract document. Next one is the general specification is categorized as first class building, second class building, third class building, fourth class building. General specification for a building. First one is a foundation at the ground level and a DBC. DBC means damp proof course. Next one is superstructure, roofing, flooring, finishing, and doors and windows. So next one is foundation and beams. So first class, second class, third class, and fourth class. So first class brickwork in 1:6 cement mortar over the 1:4 is 8 cement concrete. Cement concrete. First class brickwork the lime mortar over the lime concrete. Second class second class brickwork in lime mortar over the lime concrete. Sun dried or which of it's in mud mortar. And then one is to 1.5 is to 3. Cement concrete of one thickness with the standard waterproofing materials mixed with the cement. Second class, 1 is to 2 cement mortar of second centimeter, 2 centimeter thickness with the standard waterproofing materials. So third class, 1 is to 2 cement mortar of 2 centimeter thickness with the standard water. Fourth class, fourth class is not necessary of the damp proof course. Next one is superstructure. Superstructure, the first class brickwork with 1:6 cement mortar. The lintel over the doors and the windows shall be of RCC. The second class brickwork in lime mortar. The lintels over the doors and the windows shall be of RB. So next one is the second class brickwork in mud mortar. Door and the windows openings provided with the arches of second class brickwork in lime mortar or wooden planks. The sun dried or bricks in mud mortar. The doors and the windows opening provided with the arches of second classes brickwork in the lime mortar or wooden planks. So next one is roofing. First class, second class, third class, and fourth class. The height of the roofs shall not be less than 12, 12 inches, 12 minutes, 12 feet over the RCC slab. Insulation layer should be provided. So next one is RB slab with the 7.5 centimeter line concrete terracing above the flat terrace roofs over the wooden cliffs and jack arched roofs. Next one is third class. mud over the bricks or blanks over the wooden base or GIC sloping roof. Next one is tile roof over the bamboo and the wooden supports. So next one is flooring. Flooring first class, second class, third class, and fourth class. 2.5 centimeters cement concrete over the 7.5 centimeter line concrete, and 2.5 centimeter cement concrete over the 7.5 centimeter line concrete. The veranda floor shall be of brick tile over the line concrete. The brick on each floor over the floor over well wrapped earth. The Guja floor or earthen floor finished with the cow dung mapping. So next one is finishing. So inside and outside shall be 12 mm cement plastered 1:1:6. Inside and outside whitewashed with the interior. So inside and outside shall be 12 mm cement mortar plastered 1:6 ceiling shall be cement plastered 1:3 inside and outside. So third class inside and outside shall be plastered with lime mortar and whitewashed. So next one is fourth class. So inside and outside shall be waterproof mud plastered. So door and the windows. The teak wood is used. So first class is the teak wood is used. All fitting shall be or of braces. The window shall be provided with the iron grating or grills, and the door and the window shall be painted two coats with the high class enamel paint over the one coat of priming. Second class, the RCCR shall wood shutter of towards the door and the window shall be painted two coats of the over the one coat of the priming. So third class, the door and the window shall be painted two coats with ordinary paints over the one coat of the priming. So fourth class, door and the window shall be say mango or country fruit. So next one is detailed specification. The detailed specification for a part of the contract document. A detailed specification for a particular item specify the qualities, quantities, and the proportion of the materials, and the method of preparation and the execution for the particular item of work in the project. So the detailed specification, the different item of works are prepared separately and they describe the, what the work should be and how they shall be executed and constructed physical, chemical, and electrical tests if any requires for the finishing works to ensure that desired strength or quality are specified in the detailed specification. Next one is they have machinery, equipments, and the special tools and the plans, the methods of operations. When involved during the execution and described in the detailed specification, the method and the duration of the production of finished works as recorded or specified in the detailed specification. During the execution of the original work, while writing the detailed specification, this same order of sequence as the work is to be carried out in maintained. The engineering department maintained the detailed specification of different item of works, those who are followed to carry out work. So this is the earthwork in excavation and foundations. So the follow steps followed to the write the species specification: excavation, finish of trench, finds, water in foundation, trench filling, measurements. This is the earthwork in excavation in foundation. Next one is lime concrete in foundation. The below steps to be followed to write the detailed specification: material, proportions, mixing, laying and compacting, curing, measurements. So next one is cement concrete in 1:2:4. The below steps to be followed to write the detailed specification: material, proportion, mixing, slum test, form work, laying of concrete, and curing. So next one is RCC. 1:1.5:3 for slabs, beams, lintels, and the staircase. The proportions: cement, coarse aggregate, fine aggregate, water, reinforcement, centering, mixing. So next one is DPC. DPC means damp proof course. The following steps are materials, proportion, mixing, laying, finishing, curing, and painting with asphalt. So next one is brickwork. The first class brickwork. The bricks, mortar, soaking of bricks, laying, curing, production, upholding, measurements. Next one is second class brickwork. The brick shall be of second class and mortar shall be as specified may be concur lime or white lime and shukki or sand or of 1:2 to 1:3 proportions. The mortar joint shall not exceed 10 mm. 3 by 4. The bricks shall be soaked in water for the at least 3 hours immediately before the use. So third class brick work. The brick shall be third class. Joint should not be exceed 12 mm in thickness. Brick shall be dipped into the tube of water before uses. So next one is reinforced brickwork, material shuttering, mixing of mortar, laying, curing, measurements. Next one is plastering, the process of covering the rough walls and the uneven surfaces of a building with a plastic material to form a durable surfaces. Objectives: it provide an even, smooth, regular, clean and durable finish in the surface. It's a product the surface from the efforts of atmospheric agencies. The conceals the defective workmanship. It's cover up the uses of inferior quality materials and the joints. It provides a satisfactory base for whitewashing and the color washing. The type of plastering: cement plastering, hot plastering, lime plastering, and limestone plasters. So this is the plastering works. Next one is the start of reverse action. The start price is known as the currently. If any bit exceeds, then the start price will be determined by the current bit. The background color bit is green. It is indicated that our current lowest bidder. If you are lowest bidder, all it will come into the screen. Advantages of e-tendering. It's a completely automatic process, shorten times, great transparency, minimize human error. Anytime and anywhere the contract can bid. No depends on the newspaper, courier, and bank. Saves traveling cost. No tender can missed because of distance. Can submit a bit of the competitor. Difference between manual and the tendering process. Manual tendering and the e-tendering. So this is a longer time. Manual tendering is a longer time. E-tendering is a short time. So it's expensive and it's economical. The paper-based procurement, the encounter friendly. The no work on holidays, the bidding possible on holidays. Wastage on space to store fix lifelong storage on CD. So, thank you.